I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your identity with Lloyds Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Gather your documents. Before starting the verification process, collect the necessary documents. You'll typically need proof of identity, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill. Step 2. Access the Lloyds Bank website. Go to the Lloyds Bank official website. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Start the verification process. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Here, you should find an option for Verify Your Identity. Click on that to begin. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload the documents you gathered earlier. Make sure your files are clear and legible. If you are using a mobile device, ensure the camera is focused properly to avoid blurry images. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After uploading, review your information for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Submit button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. I hope this helps you navigate the verification process smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.